How's it going, meat lovers? Thanks for checking out our MEATER channel. Let's talk about your new favorite cooking tool, MEATER Pro XL. MEATER Pro XL comes with 4 sleek stainless steel probes. Why so many? Because why not? You could be roasting a whole turkey, grilling a juicy salmon, at the same time you're handling that perfectly cooked prime rib. Or what if your bestie wants a medium rare steak? You want rare, and cousin Larry wants well done. Just kidding. No one wants well done. Regardless, you can make it happen much easier with multiple probes. Each probe has 5 internal sensors, so when you're aiming for the center of the thickest part of the meat, the multiple sensors will help you find the true lowest internal temperature. The app will show you the lowest internal temperature, but if you tap the internal temperature, you can actually see the temps for all the sensors. Ultimately, finding the lowest temperature will help you with getting the perfect results that you want. The temperature limit for the internal sensors is 221 degrees Fahrenheit, or 105 degrees Celsius. There's also an ambient sensor in the square end. The temperature limit for the ambient sensor is 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 550 degrees Celsius. This means you can do open flame grilling, high heat searing, while you leave the probe in the meat. If you ever approach the limit, the app will warn you of the high temperature. Additionally, there's a temperature sensor in the charger to let you know if it's getting too hot when you're cooking outdoors. It can also act as a reminder to reapply sunscreen. You'll notice the temperature resolution is to tenths of degrees, giving you extremely accurate readings, and you'll be able to see the detailed movement when you've hit the stall or when you're resting your meat. Every probe is rigorously tested and is accurate to 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 0.3 degrees Celsius, so you know you're getting the highest quality thermometer with lab-tested accuracy. MEATER Pro XL has a built-in rechargeable battery, is charged by a USB-C cable, and will be ready for cooking within an hour's charge. A fully charged Pro XL will last about 24 hours. And you'll be able to see the battery life on the touch panel or in the app. The probes are charging when they're placed in the charger, whether Pro XL is on or off. One of the best features of MEATER Pro XL is that it has built-in Wi-Fi, meaning you can monitor the cook on your phone anywhere within your Wi-Fi network. Take the next step and register for a MEATER Cloud account. Now you can monitor the cook virtually anywhere your phone has internet. To set up Pro XL, download the MEATER app on your phone, select Add Devices, and tap MEATER Pro XL from the product selection page. Turn Pro XL on and follow the app instructions. Just make sure you're also within reach of your Wi-Fi network. When you're selecting a network, make sure you select the 2.4 GHz option. If that doesn't show, that's not a problem. Your router is auto-assigning to 2.4 GHz. After you've got that well-seasoned meat cooking and the cook set up in the app, make sure you leave the charger by the cooker, because the probes Bluetooth pair to the charger. You'll also need to be within your Wi-Fi network's range if you're using Wi-Fi mode. You can also use Pro XL in standalone mode, which is setting up and monitoring the cook all through the touch panel, without your phone. This is particularly useful if you're in areas with no Wi-Fi, like if you're going camping. We can't wait to see you beef up your cooking skills. You'll be able to excel even if you're already a pro. To watch more pronos, get recipe inspirations, and keep up to speed with us, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social, and find us on MEATER.com. Happy fooding!